Well, McMillan Fiberglass Stocks started out in the competition field back in 1973 when my dad started the business. So the passion comes from being able to help shooters achieve more success, to get better and to improve. When I saw what was going on here, I actually attended the second King of 2 Mile just to see what was going on. And I noticed that they were shooting guns with huge barrels and big actions, and they really didn't have a platform that was specifically designed for them. So we designed the Beast. When you've got a 38-inch barrel and a 2-inch diameter receiver, a standard stock just isn't going to be enough to give you a good solid platform. And then Derek Rogers wins the King of 2 Mile with the Beast the first year that we brought it out, which kind of validated the fact that, yeah, we've done something that has actually allowed shooters to be better and to get better and to learn and improve. So that's what makes my job so much fun, is that we actually get to see the fruits of our labor when we design a new stock. We put it on the line, we watch people compete with it, and they start winning and shooting better scores than they've ever shot before. That's the exciting part for me. That's an interesting question. I'm glad you asked me, because it seems like with the internet and social media, everybody has a say about something they don't know anything about. And very few people know anything about shooting 2 miles. There just aren't that many people out there that, one, have the capability, two, have the opportunity, and three, have the experience. So I try to stay neutral in all that stuff and give everybody an opportunity to say, hey, look, I want to try this, I want to improve. And so we have the products for them. That's the reason that we came up with ELRHQ.com. One-stop shop for all your extreme long-range needs. When I was trying to tell people where they could find all this gear, I had a list of 13 different places they had to go to get it. And I thought, man, if we just put it all in one place, it's a no-brainer. They would come just because it's easy. So, that's what we try to do. We try to facilitate a need. If it's in a stock design, that's great. If it's in a store that just provides products for the consumer so that they can actually come out, shoot, have a good time, and enjoy it. That's the whole goal. Well, for me, I just want to see people enjoy the sport and be able to say, I competed in the King of 2 Mile. I'd love for Eduardo to be able to facilitate more shooters. Instead of 68, be able to have 100. I also think that if that's going to happen, they need to go from 10 on the final day to a bigger number, because it's it's a much smaller percentage than it was in year one when they had 10 of the first 23, I think. So that was almost half. Now it's down to a smaller percentage. But the sport itself, I've been participating in a lot of events that are trying to push the envelope, but we're about as far as this game can go. As you can see, only 3 guys hit the 2 mile target, and once each. So that's pretty random. And if you're looking for something that's going to be consistent, what's consistent? 80% first round hits. Maybe that's what we settle on as a standard. Heck, that might only be a mile. So I'm hoping that they settle in somewhere where more people can be successful, because I don't think anyone considers themselves successful if they come out here, shoot 6 shots the first day, and don't shoot any more the rest of the match. So I'd like to see it where it wasn't quite so challenging and so random, so that more people could feel like, yeah, I did this, and that's what I'd like to see with this sport.